Hi, my name is Dennys Hernandez. I am a senior in kinesiology. When I graduate, I plan to use my expertise in strength and conditioning in the sport of boxing. This semester, I completed my internship at Spectrum Performance. Spectrum focuses a lot on sports performance, but also human performance. They want to make sure that they are building the most well-rounded athlete. As a student intern, I have two big roles. I'm a student and an athlete, but also a professional in my field and a coach, taking care of the facility as well as taking care of the people that are working with us and learning every single day from the professionals in the facility. They provide me with what I need to know. Then, once I know the textbook part, then I have to apply that in real-time situations where I'm teaching the other interns or other athletes. As a coach, I'm not just gonna tell you what to do, I have to show you how to do it properly. That's what has impacted me the most. I'm gonna be able to work with a lot of individuals differently. I'm gonna be able to treat many sports as a unit because I understand the science of strength and conditioning now. I'm gonna be able to translate that into the athletes so they can perform better at their sport. Different sports, different athletes, different personalities. It's gonna help me in my career no matter what. Thank you for watching Nightlife at UCF Ships.